again.
Hi there.
I'll take a bomb pop cup with the lemonade one.
Okay, lemonade.
Yeah.
You don't want to do it, no?
Thank you.
How much?
Also, before I go, I wanted to tell you something.
Yeah, go ahead.
I went to the depot a few hours or minutes ago, and I saw 2 cool cat trucks, but not you.
Yeah, I was here. It's been like 5 hours.
Yeah.
I left like 5 hours ago. But I was the last one, the one of the last one left. So
Yes.
you're not gonna see me that all the time.
He
Sometimes you can see
he
me.
makes me go around and check out ice cream.
Yeah, I remember you told me that before.
Yeah.
One time we went to Lindenhurst, the next time was at Melville or Farmingdale.
Farmingdale.
Yeah, he goes and he videos, put them on YouTube.
That's my
Loves ice
channel.
cream trucks.
Alright, see you later, alright?
Thank you.